I know you love grilled tilapia and you've been making some. Even yesterday you made one, right? And trust me, this one is different. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my channel. Whenever I'm in a hurry to prepare food, I always make sure I use my electrical gadgets. Okay, that makes cooking easier. So today the one I'm going to use is air fryer, and trust me, this was perfect and very nice. It saved time. Yes, so without further ado, let's begin. And as you are seeing on the screen, I'm making that on the fish so that when I put anything in the fish or any seasoning I'm going to use can enter the fish very well and give it that flavor and taste. And trust me, this tilapia, hey, a chain for boys. It was so nice. And when you prepare it for your friend, your partner, oh my goodness, he or she will never eat any other tilapia recipe from anywhere apart from this. He or she will always tell you to, Azzy, make one for me. That is just by the way. If today is the first time here and if you watch me till this point, hello, can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon so that when we upload new videos you'll be updated. Thank you very much. So after I'm done doing that, I'll go ahead, wash my tilapia with lemon juice, that is fresh lemon juice, then put it in salt and fish seasoning for an hour. After that, I have my stew on fire. Okay, that is pepper, ginger, garlic, herbs and fish seasoning, olive oil, a lot of that. Please check the recipe on this channel and the link will pop up there. Click on it for me please and try your hands on it. So after that, I will drain the water from the tilapia, wipe it with my paper towel, make sure there is enough water in there, okay, before we smear the stew on it. I know you are seeing vapor, but trust me, it is not hot. Okay, yes, I can't wait for it to cool down completely because I'm in a hurry and it is not hot. So I'm just going to smear that on the fish, make sure it enters every hole that is on the fish so that it will give it some flavor and taste, as I said earlier. So after I'm done smearing it, I'll show you how it looks. Please do not go anywhere. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it and thank you very, very, very much. Okay, so I'm just going to do that behind the scene and I will get back to you. But before that, we are going to pair this with some plantains and we are going to roast it in the air fryer as well. Okay, yes, I have a full video about roasted plantain that I made in the air fryer. It is on this channel and it will also pop up. Please try your hands on it. So the fish is in the air fryer. I'm just going to put this in the air fryer for just 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, this is how our fish is looking. I'm just going to add my plantains, then roast it again, extra 10 minutes, but I'm going to turn the fish. Okay, you know the plantain will be done before the fish. That is why I didn't add it straight away. So after I turn the fish or flip it, I'll just put it in the air fryer for extra 10 minutes. And after extra 10 minutes, oh my gosh, this is how it looks. So beautiful. And this was juicy. My husband really enjoyed it, but he was telling me that it's very hot. The pepper is hot, very spicy, Akasa. But trust me, it was so delicious and He really enjoyed it. Yes, he really enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and please do not forget to follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Lovely_Mina_1992 on Instagram. So I come your way next time. Remember, I love you. See you in the next one. Bye.